my TV company tells me.
Yeah, if you carefully look at that elephant, I mean the way how it feeds on those trees.
Yeah.
So they don't take the leaves.
No?
You see that?
Yeah.
Just taking out the leaves.
Oh, yeah.
This time around, throw it away.
Why?
So this time around, they are very, very selective. The food is everywhere. So they just go for the nutritious stuff.
Yeah.
The nutritious part of the plant is preferred, African elephant. You know how they're called African elephant?
Yeah, because of the ears?
Because they're found in Africa.
From the difficult bit of India.
So elephants spend most of their time on eating. To compensate for this big body, so they need like 200 to 300 kilograms of food in a day.
Oh, this. Come here. You can move forward and then. Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, they in fact they are playing. It's not mating, right? So that's play mounting. So they are just young bulls. They are practicing, just learning how.
Oh wow! There's the other one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Another one drinking.
Yeah, the other one is gone. The other one is this.
Yeah, could we just move a bit that Tommy can see as well?
Yes. Okay. Let's just.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Third one.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
See?
so good.
No, this one.
A little bit more. Yeah. I'm hanging on to Tommy.
No, I did only photos.
I got a nice video footage.